What if I told you that the piece of bread in your hand is the result of one of the most dangerous discoveries in human history? Just imagine it for a moment. You wake up 1 million years ago. There is no gas stove, no kitchen, no pot, no salt, and no spices. And the most frightening part is that there is no cooked food at all. When you are hungry, you eat whatever you can find. Raw meat, raw roots, hard seeds, sometimes even food that has already begun to rot. Then one day, something happened that did not simply change the taste of food, it changed the human mind itself. Scientists believe that very early humans may have noticed something strange after wildfires swept through the forest. The meat left behind did not seem the same anymore. It became softer, easy, slowly approaching a fire. Smoke burns the eyes, heat scorches the face, and in front of them lies a piece of meat transformed by flames. They pick it up, smell it, hesitate, and then, for the first time in human history, they eat food changed by fire. That moment may have changed the direction of humanity forever. Cooked food was not just more delicious. It provided more energy, digested faster, and required less effort from the body. Some scientists even suggest that cooking gave humans so much extra energy that our brains gradually became larger and more complex. In other words, your thoughts, your language, your imagination, and perhaps even your ability to watch this video may be connected in some distant way to the first food ever placed on a fire. But the story does not end there. The greatest mystery is still waiting. If fire was so important, why did humans not adopt it immediately? Why did some groups use fire for hundreds of thousands of years while others did not? And was the first cooked meal truly a discovery, or was it an accident? If you enjoy mysterious, mind-blowing stories like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. If you had to survive on only raw food for 24 hours, what would you choose first? Now, get ready, because in the next part we will uncover the biggest question of all. Did cooking food separate humans from animals, or did it make us the rulers of the modern world? Imagine this: night has fallen, darkness surrounds everything, the sounds of wild animals echo through the forest, but this time something is different. A small group of humans is sitting around a fire. There is food in their hands, and for the first time they are not struggling to chew it. This is where the story begins to change. When food became softer, humans could eat it faster. Less energy was wasted, and the body received more nourishment. Scientists believe that the effects did not stop in the stomach. They may have reached the brain itself. Over time, the human jaw became smaller, teeth changed, the digestive system required less effort, and more energy could be directed toward the brain. In other words, the food cooked over fire may have been one of the reasons our brain. Before this, people ate as soon as they found food. Now they began to stay near the fire. They waited. They shared food. They talked. Stories began. Relationships grew stronger. Perhaps the first dining table in human history was not a table at all. It was a small circle of people gathered around a fire. But was it only a benefit? No. Fire was dangerous too. Used carelessly, it could burn forests, destroy food, and even kill the humans who depended on it. That is why humans had to learn how to control it. And maybe this was the moment when humans stopped simply fighting nature and started learning how to command it. Time passed, thousands of years passed, then millions of people began cooking food over fire. Bread appeared, soup appeared, spices appeared, kitchens were built, and today, cooked food exists in almost every culture on Earth. But here's the most astonishing part. Scientists still do not know exactly when humans first began cooking. Some evidence is about 400,000 years old. Some may be even older, which means the most important meal in human history may never have been recorded. No photograph, no book, no witness, only a fire, a hungry human, and an experiment that changed all of humanity. So the next time you eat bread, rice, pizza, or a burger, remember this for a moment. It is not just food, it is the result of a journey that lasted hundreds of thousands of years. And perhaps the thing that truly made humans human was not the wheel, not farming, not even language, but the first food ever cooked over fire,